Jai Jinendra, Panch Parmeshti ko Naman. Welcome to my channel Love for Jainism by Neha Gandhi Gill. Today's topic is on the 4 daily Gyan Kriyas that are simple to follow but have a life-changing impact on your intellect. Let's find out. Today's journey is clear. First, we'll identify the problem. Then we reveal the solution, the 4 daily Kriyas. Finally, we move to our call to action, where you will get a simple plan to start today and see real results. But it all starts with one question. What is the true nature of your soul? According to Jain Philosophy, our soul's true, natural state is that of infinite knowledge and perception. This state is called Anant Gnan or Keval Gnan, a state of omniscience where the soul knows and sees all perfectly and simultaneously. So, if our soul is so powerful, why can't we access this knowledge right now? The answer lies in a specific type of karma, which we will uncover next. This knowledge obscuring karma, known as Gyanavarniya, accumulates from our actions in this life and previous ones, where we have shown disregard for the 4 Gs: Guru, Gnan, Gnan ki Devi, Gnan ke Upkaran. These karmic particles form a veil directly covering the soul's inherent power of infinite knowledge. It's like dust on a bright lamp dimming its light. But this veil is not permanent. There is a prescribed method to start removing these karmic particles. Stay to learn the 4 daily actions that you can begin this transformation from. This set of 4 daily Kriyas are precise, scientific processes that work on neutralizing and dissolving the Gyanavarniya Karma. Ready to learn? The first Kriya is bowing down to each Gnan. Let's dive in. The first Gnan is Mati Gnan, the knowledge we get from our 5 senses and logical minds. It is our everyday analytical intelligence. We will bow down to Mati Gnan by reciting its Doha, followed by its mantra and a Khamasamna with Khamasamna Sutra. Samakit Shraddhavantane Upanyo Gnan Prakash Pranmu Pad Gajate Hana Bhavadhari Ullas. Om Reem Shri Mati Gnanaya Namo Namaha Ichchami Khamasamno Vandiyum Jamnijay Nisihiyai Mathen Vandami. The meaning of the Doha is the light of knowledge arises in one who possesses right faith and devotion. With joyous feelings, I bow to the lotus feet of the enlightened ones. For correct pronunciation, I've made a slide in Hindi. You can pause and read through. Second Gnan is Shrut Gnan, knowledge gained by listening, reading and study from scriptures, teachings and the words of the omniscient. We bow down to Shrut Gnan. Pavayan Shrut Siddhantate Agam Samaya Vakhan Pujo Bahu Vidragati Charana Kamal Chitaan. Om Reem Shri Shrutagnanaya Namo Namaha Ichchami Khamasamno Vandiyum Jamnijay Nisihiyai Mathen Vandami. The meaning of Doha is the holy scriptures and agams reveal the true essence of time and truth. With deep devotion, I offer worship at the lotus feet of the omniscients. Let's move ahead. Third Gnan is Avadhi Gnan, the clairvoyant knowledge of physical objects and events at a distance beyond the reach of our senses. We bow down to Avadhi Gnan. Upanyu Avadhi Gnanano Gunjehane Avikar Vandanate Hane Mahari Swasa Mahe Sovar. Om Reem Shri Avadhi Gnanaya Namo Namaha Ichchami Khamasamno Vandiyum Jamnijay Nisihiyai Mathen Vandami. This Doha means Avadhi Gnan. This pure and divine knowledge arises in the virtuous ones. I offer my reverent solutions to them 100 times with every breath. Let's continue. Fourth Gnan is Manahparyaya Gnan, the direct knowledge of the thoughts and mental state of others. This is pure telepathy, and we bow down to Manahparyaya Gnan. ए गुण जेहने उपन्यु सर्व विरति गुण ठाण प्रण मोहित थी ते हना चरण कमल चित आण। ओम ह्रीं श्री मनःपर्यज्ञानाय नमो नमः। इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियुं जामि जैनिसियाय Mathen Vandami. The noble ones who have attained the power to perceive others' thoughts with a devoted heart, I bow to their lotus feet in pure reverence. The Hindi version. Let's move forward. Fifth Gyan is Keval Gyan, absolute and infinite knowledge of all substances, its past, present, and future. We bow down to Keval Gyan. केवल दंसन नाणनो चिदानन्न घन तेज ज्ञान पंचमी दिन पूजिए विजय लक्ष्मी सुबहेज। ओम ह्रीं श्री केवल ज्ञानाय नमो नमः। इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियुं जामि जैनिसियाय Mathen Vandami. It means Keval Gyan, the supreme state of divine consciousness. On this sacred day of Gyan Panchami, I worship this eternal brilliance of victory and wisdom. Let's continue. If you have learned something new, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is a new channel and your support means a world of encouragement to me. Together, let's spread our timeless Jain knowledge to everyone. The second Kriya is doing Kausagga, the mental recitation of Logassa Sutra 5 times while standing perfectly still in the Kausagga pose. This posture of detachment and surrender combined with the sacred mental recitation works to weaken the Gyanavarniya Karma. This internal practice prepares us for the next stage, which uses an external tool, the Rosary, for focused mantra recitation. The third Kriya is Jaap of the Gyan mantra Om Reem Namo NANASSA for one full round of the 108 bead Rosary. The divine vibration of the Bij mantra Reem, representing the 24 Tirthankars, work to simultaneously weaken and reduce the Gyanavarniya Karma. The next and the final Kriya will further amplify this effect. The fourth Kriya is taking blessings of Saraswati Mata, the Devi of knowledge. This involves chanting the Saraswati Bij mantra Om Aim Namaha while completing one full round of the Rosary. Along with recitation, this mantra is also written down in a notebook. This dual action of chanting and writing powerfully invokes the energy of knowledge, further weakening the Gyanavarniya Karma. Now that you know the 4 Kriyas, remember these 2 foundational actions that make them truly effective. First, make a conscious vow to always respect the 4 Gs, Guru, Gyan, Gyan ki Devi and Gyan ke Upkaran. This prevents new karma from forming. Second, every day before you begin your Kriya, set a clear intention. I am doing this to dissolve my Gyanavarniya Karma and increase my intellect, and then start the Kriya. This focus transforms the practice from a ritual into a result-driven solution. The spiritual circuit is now complete. You might be thinking this sounds like a lot, but what if I told you the time commitment is far less than you imagine? Let's find out. This entire practice can be completed in about 20 minutes. There is a compounding effect of a daily practice that we see in the profound change that comes to the practitioner. But what if you can't manage all 4 Kriyas immediately? The next point is essential for you. Do not feel pressured to do all 4 Kriyas at once. Start with just first one. Once it becomes a habit, move to the second. This gradual build-up clears a sustainable lifelong practice. And the best part, even a small consistent effort delivers powerful results. Results are disproportionately high. Intellect increases as Gyanavarniya Karma decreases. The results are profound, and you consistently perform these Kriyas, your Gyanavarniya Karma starts to dissolve, resulting in improved intellect. You will notice clearer thinking and wiser decisions. And for parents who introduce this practice to their children, the transformation in learning is often faster and more tangible. You will notice a sharper focus, a quicker grasp of concepts, and a visual improvement in their school marks. This is your soul's true potential breaking through. Begin your and your children's practice today and witness the transformation. Clear karma, clear mind, build a brighter you, 4 kriyas at a time. My sincere thank you for watching and learning with me. If you found this video valuable, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Love for Jainism by Neha Gandhi Gill. Your support helps me to spread our timeless Jain Dharma. Jai Jinendra. If I have knowingly or unknowingly written or said anything in thought, word or deed against Vitragsvani, I seek forgiveness. Micchami Dukkadam.